Hi parents, it's hard to believe the year is over. One of the most important things over the summer is that the kids continue to practice the skills that they've learned this year in school. So I wanted to take a chance to take a video and show you some of the things that you can do at home with your students. Very easy things, and you don't need a lot of materials. So one of the things that you can do is write letters on different note cards, and they can use these to practice letter names and sounds. So every day I flash these cards to the students and they say the sounds that they see on the letter. So if I held up this card, they would say t, and if I held up this one, they would say g, and if I held up this one, they would say I. You can also use these cards to practice blending. So putting the letters into 3 piles, the vowel will always go in the middle, and then you can have 2 consonants on the sides. These don't have to be real words. We call them nonsense words, but it helps them practice blending sounds together. So if you laid them in 3 piles, you could say t, ig, tig, and you could add another card in front and it says fl, ig, flig. So you can do this to help them practice their decoding skills. Another thing you can do is your students are going to come home with something called vowel tins. It's just a note card folded in half with a vowel on both sides. So A, E, I, O, and U. And what you can do is you can say words to them, 1 syllable word with only 1 vowel. It could be a long or short sound, and they have to listen for that vowel sound and then identify which letter makes it. So if I said black, your child would repeat the word black, and he or she would say, A says ah. And if I said hope, they would say hope. O says O. Or if you said kick, kick. I says I. These are just simple things that you can do at home. They probably take up to 15 minutes, but this will really strengthen their decoding skills and continue to help them work on their vowels. Hope you guys have a great summer.